All right, what is going on, guys? So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to clean your AirPod Maxes. This is probably for people who bought the silver or white ones. As you can see, they get dirty, at least in my case, fairly easily. So I'm really just gonna follow the guide that Apple has on their website. As you can see, there's just a lot of dirt and grime on here versus like the inner cushion itself. But yeah, I'm gonna try and see if I can clean them off and see the results that I get. So in a clean container, mix 1 tablespoon of liquid laundry detergent into 1 cup of water. I think that's enough. Maybe that's better. I'm just gonna use a toothpick to mix this up. Okay, remove the cushions from the ear cups. Okay, that's easy enough, and I'll probably just move these out the way altogether. Left, right. So I'm not going to clean the headband, so I'm going to skip step number 3. Number 4 says dip a lint-free cloth into the soapy water solution, wring it out slightly, rub the cloth on the cushions and headband gently for 1 minute each. So I'm pretty sure you can use a microfiber cloth for this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get a microfiber cloth that I have lying around. Okay, I put a towel on the table because I don't want to damage the actual countertop itself, but I'm just gonna go ahead and dip this in the solution and clean it for a minute and see what happens. All right, so I know Apple's website says 1 minute. I've did 1 minute each for both of these, but they still look a little bit dirty, so I'm gonna do another minute for each of them. But you can go ahead and move on to the next step if you want to. Okay, so I cleaned these both for 2 minutes. You're supposed to do 1. I know for the first time I did the left one, I didn't do a wringing of the towel, but I think it should be fine. So for the next step, it says wipe the cushions and headband with a clean cloth that's slightly dampened with fresh water. I think you're okay with just using the other end of the microfiber cloth or whatever lint-free cloth you have, so I'm just gonna use the other side for that. Now cleaning this right now, I don't know if the gray microfiber cloth is just rubbing off on the cushions, but it looks like it's turning gray a little bit, but we'll see when this thing fully dries. It might just be the water soaking into the material itself. Okay, so for the next step, it says dry the cushions and headband, not the headband in my case, with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth, making sure to remove any excess moisture. So I think you can just use any dry part of the microfiber cloth you have, but if you have a separate one, probably should use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get another microfiber cloth. Sorry, I'm speaking faster than my brain can think. Why do I want to throw this? Okay, so the only spare one I have is blue, so hopefully the blue just doesn't rub off on this, but I don't think it will. Okay, and the last step is lay your AirPods flat to dry for at least a day before you reattach the cushions and use them again. So I'm just going to set these by my windowsill for 24 hours, and then in 24 hours, which is 5 o'clock the next day, I'll show you guys what they look like. All right, so I apologize for being a little late. It's like almost 5:15. Just came back from a run, but let me go ahead and show you guys what they look like. So these have been out for 24 hours. I'm going to show it to the overhead camera now. So in my opinion, it does look like that it did clean them pretty well. I want to say it looks like it's in the original condition that it was in. I don't want to say definitely again, but I would say the guide on Apple's website is pretty true to how to clean these. I don't think you need to wait 24 hours. Honestly, before I went to bed at like 11, like 6 hours later, they were pretty dry. But yeah, that's pretty much how you clean your AirPod Maxes. Yeah, I mean, they look so much cleaner now than before. Before it was pretty disgusting. Yeah, they look good again. Nice. So it's nice that you can actually clean these off pretty easily. Yeah, this is solid. To clean the actual case itself, they just say use a microfiber cloth, wipe it down, soap and water, and you should be good. and what's it called? Alcohol as well. Alcohol wipes. You can use that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much how to clean. Forgot. I couldn't even hear myself speak that entire time with these on, but sorry, out of breath from running. But yeah, this is how you clean your AirPod Maxes, your cushions. Like I said, I feel like this is only going to be an issue if you get the silver or the white ones. If you get like blue, green, black, I think it's space gray, that's the proper color. I think they have like orange or red. I don't think those colors should be too bad, but silver, you're gonna have to do, I would say, a little bit more maintenance. But let me know down in the comments below if you have AirPod Maxes and you have to do the same, or if you are interested in cleaning your AirPod Maxes, how it turned out for you. But with all that being said, guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video of how to clean your AirPod Maxes. I know these are a very, I would say, niche product for a small group of people, but for the people who, oh, come on, did I really just get this inside my case? You see this right now? What is this? All right, it's out. Where was I? Oh, but for the people who do own these, let me know if you did get the silver and it is dirty and you ended up cleaning it, how it worked out for you. So with all that being said, guys, I appreciate every sub, like, and comment. And as always, guys, much love.